how to change your TP-Link router's Wi-Fi frequency to 5G HZ. Watch the video till the end and don't miss any important point. As you may know, 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi offers a longer range but slower speeds, while 5 GHz provide faster speeds but a shorter range. That is why switching to 5 GHz can improve your connection speed if you are close enough to your router. Access your router's admin settings by entering the default IP address in your browser. Now, for TP-Link routers, this is usually 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1. Log in using your admin username and password. You can usually find these credentials on the back of your router. Now, once logged in, click on the wireless section to see your network option. Enable the 5G HZ Wi-Fi network by clicking the enable button under the 5G HZ setting. To fine tune in your 5G HZ setting, go to wireless, check for advanced setting. Here, select the 5G HZ band, then click on the channel option. Now, for US routers, it is recommended to set the channel between 149 and 165, band 4 for optimal performance. Finally, reboot your router to save and apply all changes. Once rebooted, your device should now see and be able to connect to the 5G HZ Wi-Fi network. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.